Staircase, Borna. My helmet just saved me. He peeked out of the bathroom on second floor and hit me in the head.
Far side, on far side stairs. Where are you?
I'm in the office.
He's still bathroom.
He's still bathroom?
Anybody need a flash drive?
This is me, Borna.
Yep.
He's still bathroom.
You sure he's not far side stairs?
Yes.
Somebody's on metal, far side stairs?
Could be far side stairs as well. I thought that was...
Jack is down
you.
one low.
What the fuck? What?
No!
Thanks, boys. Fucking horrible callouts. Like, really the fucking worst. I'm on far side stairs.
Yeah.
Oh, far side stairs. It's another guy that's not Jack, and he shoots me in the head.